This is our deep dive into one significant issue that's impacting the Israeli economy. And today's long play is on Israel's Iron Beam system. We get to hear from Mr. Laser Beam himself. Can I call him that? How does this system actually work?
So when I was a kid, I used to take a magnifying glass, take the sun and concentrate it on a piece of wood and burn this piece of wood and really burn it, because I could concentrate the sun to a very, very little spot. So this is basically what we're doing. We're bringing energy in form of light. These are photons of light. And the trick is how to bring them to a very, very small spot on the target and just create the damage and burn it. Now, it's not so easy. You need to build a laser with many, many wattages. And when you build systems like that, you need to pinpoint your laser very, very accurately at the target in a very precise way. Now, this works very quickly because it's light. The light moves miraculously at the speed of light, 300,000 kilometers per hour. There's no ballistics here. You don't need wait for a missile to go. It's light. So reaches the target instantly. And another thing that we have to overcome is our main nemesis, the atmosphere. When you look with your eyes in a very hot day on a road, you will see the air is kind of blurry. It's not focused. So same thing happens to laser. It's called turbulence. This is affecting also the laser. So one of the things those systems are doing is also correcting the atmosphere, sensing the atmosphere and correcting for it. By the way, same thing is done in astronomy. When you look at big telescopes into the star, you see that the stars are glittering. Same reason, turbulence. They do the same thing in astronomical big telescopes. They do the correction of the atmosphere to let the light move more smoothly in.